Hello guys, welcome back to another Make Money Online episode. If this is your first time here, welcome. And don't forget to smash the subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up. If you are a returning subscriber, thank you for coming back. In today's video, we'll be talking about a website that pays you to test websites and applications and even devices. This website is utest. Utest is a crowd testing platform that hires worldwide. As I stated earlier, they pay you to test websites and applications and some devices. So head straight to their page and see what they have on here. The largest community of testers in the world. Earn money and learn new skills while helping world-class companies deliver amazing digital experiences. In order to work on utest, you don't necessarily have to have any testing skills. You can start as a beginner, and there are training courses for you to take before you start working on utest. Learn new skills, grow and connect. Utest is the home of the largest community of digital freelance software testers in the world, helping some of the most recognized and iconic brands provide quality digital experiences to their customers. Whether it's improving their testing skills in our academy, finding a testing project to earn money, or connecting with testing experts within our global community, utest has become the go-to destination for people who value digital quality, are passionate about user experience, and are curious about cutting-edge technology. So how utest works? When you join utest, you are unlocking a new world of freelancing opportunities. Learn how we match you with paid testing projects from our clients, and you can learn that by watching their videos. There are lots of videos on their page, so you can save it for later and watch it after you've signed up. Earn money testing for the brands you love. So as you can see, the brands they work with: MasterCard, McDonald's, Starbucks, Tesla, BMW, Uber, and a whole lot more. So utest is a legitimate company and you can actually earn money working on there. So on utest you get to learn free training for all testers, helping testers learn how to and then improve their testing skills. So as I said earlier, you don't need to have any prior knowledge in testing. You can start from scratch on utest. You earn paid projects for all skill levels, matching testers with paid projects opportunities of all shapes and sizes. Then you get to connect with other people on utest, a global community of crowd testers, providing testers around the world a place to exchange their insights, experiences, and tips for software and QA testing. Our mission. Our community is the heart and soul of who we are. At utest, our mission is to provide a safe, inclusive environment that allows members to learn and connect. So a quick statistics on utest. They have 1 million plus testers worldwide, and they get 10,000 plus new testers every month. There are a total of 4 million plus devices connected to utest worldwide, and they pay millions of dollars to testers on a monthly basis. So I advise you to read the frequently asked questions on their About Us page, because before you start working on any website, you would have to read about them and check their FAQs out. So I'll leave a link to the website in the description. So in order to work on utest, you would first have to sign up. So you can do that by clicking on become a tester, become a utester, or sign me up. Then you fill out your information on the sign in page. So your first name, your last name, email address, date of birth, and the languages. You can add more languages you can speak to widen your scope of receiving more test cycles, but please only add languages you can speak. After this page, you click on next. Then the next page would be for you to fill out information on your location. So it's a process that goes. There are 4 steps. Since I already have an account here, I can't create a new one because everybody is entitled to just one utest account. So you just click on next anytime you're done filling out the information on each page to create your utest account. So I'll log into my utest account so you see how everything works on there and the interface. After signing up, you would have to complete your profile. This part is very crucial. If you are someone who has access to a lot of devices, being it tablets, smart TVs, phones, smartwatches, Chromecast, any device at all, please don't forget to add it to your profile in the device section on your profile. The more devices you have listed on your profile, the higher the number of test invites you receive, and the more invites means higher earnings. But please remember, list only devices you have. After completing your profile, you would have to undergo training, and this is done through the academic courses. The total number of 29 courses in the academy section, and as you can see, I have completed quite a few. I haven't been able to complete all of them, but I've been doing my best. You would have to complete the academic courses before you attempt any testing project. Completing the academic courses increases your chances of getting invited to participate in testing projects, and high-paying ones at that. After completing your profile and the academic courses, you should start receiving invites to test cycles. You might sometimes receive invites even before completing the academic courses, but it's best advised to complete the academic courses so you know what you're about, and also to provide quality work. When you receive test cycle invites, you'll be given an overview of what you are supposed to do and what not to do. If you do decide to work on that test cycle, then you would have to claim a slot and you can start working. The most common type of testing you would receive will be functional tests. The other types of testing you will eventually encounter include visual tests, content tests, performance tests, crash tests, and exploratory tests. You can find information on the various types of tests in the academic courses. Also, remember you have a deadline to complete every test cycle or slot you claim. Claiming slots and not meeting the deadlines will affect your ratings negatively, which will lead to receiving lesser invites. So if you cannot complete test cycles within the given time frame, then do not claim the slots at all. Utest has only two payment methods, which are PayPal and Payoneer. Testers are paid twice a month, that is on the 15th and the last day of each month. So your accumulated earnings will be paid out on the 15th of every month and on the last day of every month, and you need a minimum amount of $10 in your account in order to get paid. So how much can you earn on utest? From my research and reviews available online, you can earn from $200 to over $1,000+ per month. But earning $1,000+ a month requires dedication and continuous provision and submission of quality work. Also, if you look on the left side, there is a project tab. I'll go ahead and click on it to open the project board. So this is the project board. The project board is constantly updated with the latest available projects. These projects are different from test cycles, so you can always go through the project, and if you meet the requirements of any of the projects, you can go ahead and apply for it. If your application gets approved, you will receive an invite to take part in that project or the test cycle that comes with the project. Utest also has an app on both the Google Play Store and the Apple App Store, which makes it convenient to test on the go. As stated earlier, utest is available worldwide, so you can sign up from any part of the world, but you should be 18 years of age or above. This is all I have for you today on utest. Please don't forget to smash the subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up. Happy testing. See you in my next video. Thank you for watching.